Peace and blessings, community. Welcome back again to Yoni Love Herbals and this red tent. Your girl is sitting here nice and cozy on the couch, as you can see. Relax. But I wanted to hop on really quick because today actually marks the 1 year anniversary that Yoni Love Herbals began to offer Yoni steaming hubs, also known as franchises in the company, to the general public. And I'm super excited because I was just sitting here in awe, really thinking about all that the company has accomplished in less than 4 years of us being, with us not being even 4 years old, is what I'm trying to say, with less than 4 years of us being in business. And one of the most challenging things for me, but one of the most rewarding aspects for me, has been to create the opportunity of hubs, because it allows me to help women literally inherit an entire business that's already built for you to take and start hitting the ground running and making money in your business and with us, without having to do the legwork of figuring out how to do it yourself. Now, the biggest thing about hubs and owning franchises and things like that is you have to be 100% coachable. The other thing too about getting into the program or into somebody's system is you also have to be willing to learn things and go the distance in directions that you've never grown to know things in that space before, if that makes sense. Like, basically broadening your horizons, right? We're adults, so a lot of times as adults it's difficult for us to learn or unlearn certain habits and relearn others. But one of the biggest things that I have learned as a coach, in coaching people and even in having to be coached myself in order for me to offer coaching to others, is literally that life is all about advancements and ascensions. And the only way that we can really grow for real, is if we actually do the work that's necessary in order for that growth to happen. And definitely, hands down, having hub owners, training hub owners, helping people to open up storefronts, shipping out products, like a whole storefront worth of products, has been a difficult but very rewarding journey for me. And as I sit here and I think about this whole process, I was led by spirit to put the hub opportunity on sale. So for the next 10 days, from January 10th to January 20th, I am going to be discounting all of the hubs, so all of the franchises, because there's three different packages that you can enter into. I am going to be discounting all of them for $555, just as a way to say thank you to the community for all those who have supported thus far, as a way to commemorate the growth that Yoni Love Herbals, this red tent, the Womniverse, has made thus far, and also as a way to help those who are interested get in and like start the business, jumpstart the business that they've been wanting to do anyway, without um like having to, I guess, jump through hoops and go through a lot in order to be able to start it. So I just wanted to come on and make that announcement really quickly. We will be having a $555 discount on all hubs January 10th, meaning today, up until the 20th. On the website, I'm going to drop the link down below, but on the website, you will be able to go and learn about everything that comes into the hub. And one of the biggest things for me as a business owner, especially like as I continue to help people to grow their business in 2024, I made a decision in the beginning of this year that anything that I did where I was training entrepreneurs or helping people to learn how to run businesses, I was literally going to be doing it, but teaching them a two-pronged system. And that two-pronged system is of course, the product and service. So any hub owners that enroll with us, literally will get the Yoni Steam and Certification course through Yoni Love Herbals. They will complete that course and that training with me. They will get free business coaching as well. But in addition to that, you of course get the product and service that Yoni Love Herbals has, and we train you on the products and we train you how to market yourself. Attraction marketing, though. We aren't running after customers, we attract customers to us. And that's a big difference when you are a business owner and when you're first getting started running a business. It's not easy to learn that and to trust and release that energy and not feel like you have to dictate and determine when a customer comes and purchases from you. So the first thing that we're going to do is train you on the product and service and how to grow a lucrative Yoni steaming business. But the second thing that we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to master residual income. Because, baby, in 2024, that whole mindset and mentality of hustle and grind went out the door with 2023. So if you still grinding, if you still hustling, if you still trying to figure out how to make it, it's about time that you figured out how to not hustle and how to live the soft lifestyle and how to be an entrepreneur with grace. And one of the main things for me and one of my main tricks for achieving that has been residual income. So when you become a hub owner with Yoni Love Herbals, we also put you down with a residual income stream that I have used to build over six figures in my Yoni Steaming business in 2023, and I definitely plan on continuing to build in 2024 and really just showing those entrepreneurs who are ready and willing to do the work how to really do it and how to advance themselves forward in their business and in the things that they want to achieve. So I'm hopping off. I just wanted to say that if you're interested and you're on YouTube and you're watching this, go down to the description box below. If you're on any other platforms, you can find the link up in my bio. And if you have any questions, as usual, reach out to me or drop them in the comment box below and I will answer all your questions. I love you, I love you, collective. I can't talk, child. I'm tongue twisted and tied. I love you, collective. Peace. Until next time.